Il come proprio avec
No water.
Donc when people take it and that's your main source.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we are gonna spend the day together. It is about it's about 9:30 now. I am going on the road to go run some errands today. We're gonna pay some stuff and purchase some stuff and whatnot. So yeah, going on the road this morning. It is Monday, start of a new week, so we're going to start it off on a good note. Outfit, I'm wearing jeans, this black top, and I got a new purse. I think it's so cute, so I'm actually wearing it today. Has like a lot of like detailing and stuff like that on it. Really like it. Did my hair over the weekend. From the last video you guys saw with me to sit down with me and mom. I got the chance to do my hair finally. I wasn't feeling well, but I finally got the chance to do it. And I did my nails also. If you can, it's like very like soft pink in a way. They're press-ons by the way, but they're kind of long. I have no problem with long nails, but I wasn't really in the mood to like really wear long nails right now at this moment with like how my hair and everything. So I was like, you know what, let's just cut them and buff them and kind of, you know, taper them to a little length that I like. So I did this length instead, and I think they're so cute and I really like them. Have on my jewelry, such rings and whatnot. So yeah, we're gonna head on the road now, and when we are at our first stop, I'll see you guys back. Okay guys, so our first stop is going to be PriceSmart. I'm just running in there just to get a few items really that we ran out of. I guess this person is parking here. Yeah, so we ran out of a few bulk items that we would need. So I was just like, you know what, let me just come and run and pick it up today. They just opened not too long ago, because this is about the best time to come. If you don't come at this time, I am going to be in there forever standing in long lines, and I can't bother with that. So I'm taking the opportunity to do it now. So we're going to park and then head inside. Okay, we're going to stop for oil. Oh, which was it again? No, all the way around here. So we're stopping in the oil section first. Looking for a specific. Oh no, come here, want about the sunflower oil. You can call her for me? Call her there. Alright, we're gonna take this one. Now look for your Vitamalt here. Is okay, I'm gonna push this way. These ones. This one. Pass it. Yeah. Alright, we'll go up there so now. Everything else we need, they're up there, so yeah. Wait, how would the salt beef look like? On here, so down there, so. It's pickled, right? So down there, so. This is it? I should said choose it because I don't know how to choose this one.
Send this.
I'm not sure more fat panic or less fat panic. It all depends, I'm not sure. This one, that one then Alright. Cucumber and then ginger. If ginger is here, hopefully. I'm not sure. Okay guys, we're out. Seriously. Inside it was empty, obviously, of course, which is why I went. No other reason to go this early, I should say. I went because it made more sense to just go early. So that's gonna pack them on the seats right here. We have bags and stuff because we're going to go to another supermarket. This is what the road looking like this morning. There's not really much traffic out here in Portmore at the moment, but we'll see as the day goes along. With me not see as the day goes along because I'm soon gonna come my yard. So I'm not really planning for the out here with everybody around mad, unfortunately, because it is mountain at this moment, and I don't know where decide to take people when mountain start with something leaking at them head for them start move stupid. So I will not be out here on this street. Yeah, so I am going to pay something inside there now. That's where I'm heading to, and then I'm gonna go inside Fontana and probably Starbucks. I think I want to get myself a little treat today, you know, but you know, it's just a little something for just make myself feel nice today. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go get Starbucks, and I'm going to go to Fontana just to pick up, I think, just 2 things. And if I pick up more than 2, God help me. So next stop here, as I said, Fontana. Starbucks is over there. Quartz is behind me. I'm gonna go to Quartz first. We're gonna park. I'm going to go to Quartz first and just kind of get it out of my way, and then I'm going to Fontana. I'm gonna look around in Fontana obviously, but I'm only going in there for 2 things literally. I'm inside Quartz now. I'm going up the stairs to the cashier. I guess they're rearranging some stuff because the door to enter kind of changed. Oh, thank you. I'm trying to pick up a facial toner today. That is what I'm here for. Well, that's what I want to pick up. But I also saw like this, which is supposed to be a face mist. Hold on, what do you do? This one's unscented, has witch hazel and aloe vera. This is the bigger one. So it's alcohol free, hydrates up to 8 hours, enhances skin appearance, minimize pores. I might just go with this. I'm picking up another lip oil. This one is a lighter shade. I don't think I need anything else, so I'm gonna cash out. Okay guys, so I got my drink. They didn't have exactly what I wanted, but I'm trying something else. This is a hazelnut espresso, 2 pumps of white mocha, sweet cream cocoa, and caramel drizzle on top. So let's try it. Check it out. Oh, it's not bad. It's actually not bad. So this already lights there, so you not even get to try to turn it. It's not bad. It's not too sweet, which is good. The last time I tried this hazelnut thing at a different location tasted awful, so this one isn't bad here. I normally get the brown sugar shaking expression instead of hazelnut, but this one is good. This one works. Everybody's supposed to know, so when you buy Starbucks is an investment and because it's so expensive. I also got egg, bacon and cheese bagel, little sandwich. But I am going to just a regular supermarket right here, really quickly. And then hop back out, and then I'll eat when I come back inside the car. Oh yeah, I want that right this way. and I'll eat when I come back inside the car. So I'm not going to really start eating right now as yet, but the coffee is good. And this is my first time having coffee in about 2 months, because I kind of cut myself off of it for a little time because it wasn't really working so well with me. So I cut myself off of it a little bit, but this is good. This is good after my 2 months of not having any. This is good. So I'm gonna go into the supermarket now. I need one for yam, one for yam, one for sweet potato. Alright.
Size potato.
Just when a good size, but over here, so maybe use one of them. Alright. That's not bad, yeah. That's alright. It look good.
I want a tall one.
I don't know which one she specifically wants, you know. Depends.
I wish I could do.
A stew or a soup. I must say soup or something like that. I think. And then the tall one work out better? It don't make no difference? Alright. Yeah. So she just wants like about a half pound.
Half pound, you know, get half pound. Less than.
And maybe about a quart bottle. This not bad. Look on it when it's not bad. Okay. Just I show you the scallion when they're out there, so. These are nice. So. Alright. Pick up 2 little chips over here, so I pick up 2 little chips over here, so if me can pass. Here. I pack up myself, you know, with the chips. No far. Alright, let's go. At the back on them, I don't have a problem with it, but I don't really love it so much. Alright, we're gonna. Okay guys, we're finished with the supermarket. We're going home now. Finally, I'm gonna go home. But I'm going to, I started eating my sandwich already. And having the rest of my drink. So that is it for the road for me today. I'm going back home now. So, you know, I'm just, I guess, chill for the rest of the day. I do have some editing and stuff like that for a video to do. So I'm going to edit that and get that up. And yeah, I think that's really about it. I'm really not trying to do nothing today because I wasn't feeling well last week. So I'm just getting my strength back and I'm just trying to take my time to come back. So yeah. So when I reach back home, I'll see you guys. Okay guys, so I'm back home. I'm going to give you guys a little haul of the stuff that we bought in the supermarket because I didn't like, you know, show exactly all the stuff that we picked up. So this is from PriceSmart to the regular supermarket. So we've got some salt beef at PriceSmart. This bottle of oil that you see we're looking at. I got a 6-pack. I got a 6-pack of Vitamalt from mom, but she already opened it and she drank 2 already. So that was opened. What else did I buy at PriceSmart? Cucumbers. They don't look so bad. These are nice. They're not bad. This is to put in like green juice. I was looking for that stuff for green juice, but they're not there, so it's just this for now. When I get the other stuff, then I'll make my green juice. What else did I buy in there? That's the oil, the malt, the beef. Was that it? I think that was it. Yeah, I think that was all. Oh, I was supposed to get ginger. There was no ginger. Not in the soup. Oh, your mommy, no ginger never in the supermarket, nor PriceSmart. So yeah, there was no ginger in the supermarket or PriceSmart. So that was outside. So supermarket wise now, I got some sliced tomatoes. These are not bad, looking nice. We got some of the juice mix. We got pineapple flavor. I never want a soda. Too much soda. And you know what's funny about that fruits business? Is not a thing that they do in the supermarket to pick up as fruit. Well, yeah, that too. Yeah, no, never in there for green juice. So many there. I see celery, and I almost pick it up, and then I see I imported celery. I never bother. Yeah, apple, and then orange. It's the 3 flavors. Milk, toiletries for the bathroom. This piece I am. This piece I am, mommy, for 700 after. Alright. Yes, darling. And sweet potato. And then this is just a little something of lettuce. Are you 4 bills for this? Yes. Is it a thing of lettuce? Yeah, I know. Then this scallion drop again, by the way.
How much for that?
$200.
Scallion drop.
The scallion never raised at a certain point in time. I pay $400 for half of this. Thyme. Just look a fresh pack of thyme here. Also coconut powder because we don't have any coconut. Well, mom just wanted this to do for a video. We don't have any hard shell coconut right now. Oh, flour because I want to try and bake something this week also, so we're gonna see how that goes. And then I just picked up, oh no, I forgot, I picked up cereal just for, you know, light something for breakfast instead of going on the stove to cook if I don't want to. A few snacks to just keep in the house. You want one, mommy?
What? You got it?
One snack, yeah. Alright, welcome. Yeah, just some snacks. These are banana chips. I've seen some banana chips at $100.
I don't want a banana chip.
This one, this little snack here, and a picked up these 2 granola packets. I tried one of them already. I bought a big one when I was doing something for my birthday to do parfait things. I tried this one. This is the wheat flakes and the cinnamon. It's from Sunshine Snacks. This one was good. So I didn't want that big everlasting one coming. I eat too much granola, and I'm trying to make some for myself. Honestly, I'm just trying to taste flavors so I can see how I want to make my own granola. And then there's this one that I want. This is another flavor. This one is with crisp rice, sunflower seeds, raisins, and cranberries. This one is wheat flakes, sunflower seeds, and cinnamon. So I'm gonna try, see which one I like best and so forth. But yeah, that's what I picked up in the supermarket. Just a small amount of things, really. It's just a little, as I said, it's just a little top up on what we didn't have while we were at home. But that's it. What I'm going to do now, I'm gonna rest out myself, and then I'm going to make some dinner. I think I'm probably going to make a little burger for dinner. That's why I took up the lettuce and the tomato, and so I think I'm gonna do that for dinner. And when I do that, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay guys, update. Specifically right after I filmed the haul for you, internet gone, cut out, and it took about 2 hours or maybe like about 30 minutes. I would say 2.5 hours to really come back. So I have decided that since that was the case, I told you guys I was gonna do a hamburger, but by the time I take it out, it is hard as a rock, and I thought, you know what, maybe through the time it's hot, it would have defrosted while the internet was out. It didn't. It's still hard as a rock. So I decided to put that back up, and I'm going to go the easier route. I did a rice bowl, which is basically just like rice, beans, chicken, dressing, whatever people put in there. That's why I normally just stick with rice, beans, chicken, cheese, and vegetable and stuff like that in there. So I did some last night, and I had some left over. And then I had extra rice, extra beans, and extra chicken. So I also like prepped it and put it in a little like container, like a meal prep kind of thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to incorporate my little leftover with the extras, and got a tomato today, and I got lettuce, so we're gonna also put that in there. Have my cheese, mayo, my little dressing that I'm putting in there. Have some chips that I'm gonna have with this. Why the chips bag is so flat? And it don't even pull, the bag just flat. Anyways, yeah, so I am going to have that for dinner. It's pretty simple, very easy, and I'm gonna call it a day because I'm watching a show and I'd like to get back to the show. So I'm really just going to do that. Okay guys, I'm done. My bowl is finished. The bowl is hot because we're just putting a microwave to melt the cheese on top of it, but nothing really special on it for sure. You see it here, right? Just a little mix up. I added a little mayo and a little like dressing on top, really, as my little sauces, just to mix it up. They're lighter and the taste isn't too strong for me with it. I am going to have it with some chips. That's personally how I like it, and that's how most of people them really do it, you know, and plus it tastes good that way. It's like a chipotle bowl or something like that. If you guys know chipotle, that's what it really is, just my rendition. I just keep it very simple. I'm gonna add too much, I'm gonna add too little. I just have to make sure that I have rice, I need beans in there, I need chicken in there, and I need some kind of vegetable, some kind of cheese on top of it, or just some kind of dressing to really top it off. That's genuinely what I need in mine. There's some juice here. I think I'm gonna get some juice also. Here's juice. Dad makes some juice. I'll whoop it in a sweet, you know, because unfortunately my dad and sugar, they're not besties, so his hand gets a little heavy sometimes when he makes drinks. Yeah man, that's sweet. It's still sweet what this can drink. It can't go on, it can't go on. Yeah. Me leave. It's okay. Anyways, yeah guys, that was my day today. I hope you guys enjoyed. coming around with me, going on the road with me, running my few little errands for the day, because honestly I'm gonna think me I go for the rest of the week. I am staying inside in my bed in the comfortable setting of my room, and such is such, and that is that, because I'm still recovering from feeling ill the previous week. So I just try to stay inside and get back myself together. And I also really wasn't able to eat that much the previous week, so this is kind of like my first proper meal, or second proper meal. Yeah, kind of like my second proper meal. My stomach just couldn't take the taste of anything. Like nothing just never tastes good to me, so I just opted to just drink juice. Water tasted awful, but I'm getting better now, so I'm eating. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm trying to do more stuff for the summer. Honestly, I'm trying to do little different like videos for the summer for you guys. As I said, I don't go out often, so other than going out vlogs that I would love to create, I'm not going. So unfortunately them not really will come right now. Maybe if I go out with like friends or so, I'll probably like, you know, show the setting or the place, or you know, stuff like that. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to eat. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I will see you guys in the next one, whether it's a vlog or a video, sit down, anything like that. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.